Welcome to Shop POS. Sign in. Dashboard appears.
Go to POS option. Choose customer or press people option to add new customer. Press submit. Select customer. Choose warehouse. Select product. Add quantity. Prices updated automatically. Add tax. Press Pay Now option. Create payment. Press Submit. Invoice generated successfully. For the changes in POS setting,
Go to Setting option.
edit changes. Edit POS receipt changes. Press Submit.
Thanks for watching.